Okay, some only one minor change fixes that we need to before creating an auth get zone URI root. So okay, let's check one more time in our console. So uncode syntax error, unexpected token, and we can see to go to our register page, and at register in top bottom of the page, so here token is created. mm, there is an uncalled syntax error. So let's check our script. Okay, we are closing this here, dot done. So this is closed here. No, there is some problem. Yes, and let's close it here and close our statement. So dot done, our closure function, and this angle bracket will be closed. A parenthesis function and brackets, and we have terminate the statement. Okay, save it. One more time, refresh your page, go to console, and now this error is removed. Okay, when we pull, so it has put the post request to the localhost auth get zone, which is not found, and we need to create this URI. So our jQuery and the function is fully functional, and we have to create now URI root auth /get zone root. Stay tuned.